I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing and enabling the tools you need. Open Google Translate and sign in if asked. Then enable the Translate keyboard or switch to Gboard with the Translate feature. This lets you translate inside messaging apps. Once done, grant clipboard, microphone, and keyboard permissions so text and speech pass between apps smoothly. Make sure your target language pairs are downloaded for offline use. This speeds translations and avoids delays when mobile data is weak. You'll now translate as you type. Open your Messenger, switch to the Translate or Gboard keyboard, and choose source and target languages. Type or paste your sentence and watch the translation appear above the keys. Tap to insert it into the message. If spoken words are easier, use the microphone. For signs or screenshots, use camera or handwriting input. Make sure to edit tone or formality after insertion, because automatic translation can be literal. This keeps your message natural and appropriate. Finish by verifying and sending. Preview the translated text and tweak phrasing to preserve tone and intent, then send. Once sent, ask the recipient for a quick confirmation if accuracy matters. If translations are wrong or missing, clear the keyboard cache, download the offline language pack, or rephrase the original sentence. Simpler grammar reduces errors. If the keyboard won't appear, toggle input method in settings. If paste fails, copy from Translate app and paste directly into the chat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.